How to delete a publication in Beehiiv. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a publication in Beehiiv. Deleting a publication in Beehiiv is an easy process, but it's important to know that this action is permanent and you'll lose all associated subscribers, segments, and data once you do this. So on your Beehiiv account, go ahead and click on your settings by clicking on the settings button at the bottom left of your screen, and then in here head over into the workspace settings tab and then click on overview under this. Now once you're in here, go ahead and look for your publication list, so you'll find it here, and then click on this three dots at the right side of that publication that you want to delete. So to give you an example, we need to go ahead and create a new publication that we want to delete. So I'll simply click on this new publication button at the top right of the all publications and then name this. And then after that, create an about description of this and create a subdomain for this. So make sure that you use a unique subdomain, since if you use a simple and common subdomain, this would turn into error and you will need to re-enter your subdomain name. So make sure to do that for here. And then if you personalize it, that would be better, since it will allow you to get approved fast. And then after that, go ahead and click on this create publication button at the bottom right. Now once you're on this publication, head over into that overview tab under the workspace settings, and then go ahead and click on the three dots to the right side of that publication that you want to delete, and then click on delete, and then go ahead and type in the publication name into this section, and then click on delete to confirm. And that is how you can basically delete a publication in Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.